Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Jasmy update. It's a relatively bullish update. I mean, yesterday we obviously talked about this level right here at 2.5 cents, strong technical level, strong psychological level, and also a very important level, because if we lost that, if we were not able to find support there, we obviously would turn bearish, or at least obviously then. That would have been such a significant bearish breakout that I would have to be bearish. But what we said is that we did expect support from there. So if you watched the video, you would have expected a move like this. And the main thing we needed to do was break back above some sort of a level right here, around 2.75 cents, which I'm happy to announce we actually did. I did not actually expect a bullish breakout, but I also did not expect Bitcoin to pump right here, which we did. So I think that was one of the main causes that Jasmy was able to break out. And that leads us to the situation which we are in right now, which I would say that we are consolidating with Jasmy right here, which is actually a good thing. All right, that's actually bullish, because yesterday there was a real possibility and a real, I would not call it a scare or danger, because in the end we did not expect this level to break. But it's always possible, all right? Jasmy was at a very crucial level, and if Bitcoin dropped down like 2-3% once more, which has happened in the past, then Jasmy all of a sudden would have had a massive bearish breakout, and it would have been very tough to come back from that. So luckily that did not happen. Luckily we also got the bullish breakout. But now the thing is, and why I'm telling you that we are in a consolidation instead of a bull run or a rally, is that technically we actually do look quite good, and you can see we actually gained a ton of momentum as well right here, which we'll talk about a little bit later still. But purely technically, right here, price structure wise, you can see that the EMAs are very flat right here. We have a strong resistance right here at 3.2, strong support at 2.5, both of which have been respected. So that leads me to believe, and then apart from that, Bitcoin also consolidating a little bit here, as you can see, between 63,600 and 68,000, and everything is still correlated to Bitcoin. Therefore, I think it's most likely that technically we are still consolidating, but I do want to stress, and for that we have to get back to the open interest. I've always told you is that, all right, well, Jasmy can rally a lot, right? If you look back at the past, whenever we have good news, but also when the markets are relatively strong, which I do think the markets are relatively strong right now, there's always a chance that Jasmy rallies. And we got a very, very strong move right here. Now the main question is that, all right, well, this could be the start of more bullish momentum, which rallies us all the way up to 3.1 and 3.2, and lets us break above that. All right, honestly, and that's why I'm even though I'm saying Jasmy is consolidating and therefore neutral, I am more bullish on Jasmy than bearish. The big question is that, all right, if you look at Jasmy right here, this was probably like a whale or some sort of a big institution buying a lot of Jasmy longs in a short period of time. Now, will they pump up the price even more? Or will we see an influx of bidding? Or will they sell off? And we saw a little bit of a sell-off right here, which is not great. All right, you can see that it was like a ladder down. Which usually means that they are T-Web selling their coins, their Jasmy. So what we need to keep an eye on is the open interest, right? If the open interest keeps rallying here and it stays bullish, then I do not only think, I mean, in general, I already do think that Jasmy will do something like this. But if the open interest stays bullish here and we keep gaining momentum with a positive CVD, then we can not only rally up here, but then we can also break above that and start to rally up to 3.5 and 3.6. So a lot is possible, but at this moment, like I said, due to that little sell-off we had right here, I am not convinced. And therefore, I do think it's most likely after getting this bullish breakout and just in general with the market structure that we will rally up. All right, so that's what I do think is most likely. But to get the big bullish breakout that we want to see above 3.2 cents, I think it's too early to call that. So if anything happens, I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.